Messenger campaigns are a reliable way to attract new customers and keep the attention of loyal customers. To create a campaign, go to the Chatbots section and click Create Campaign. Choose a previously connected bot from the drop-down list, and the campaign will be sent to that chatbot's audience list. Choose recipients for your campaign's entire audience. The cost of such messages is calculated according to the SendPulse tariffs. Active last 24 hours. These messages are free. You can also segment recipients by their subscription date, tags, chatbot flow participation, receiving certain campaigns, and variables. For example, by country, phone numbers, and names. To select multiple criteria and filter recipients more precisely, click Add the List Segmentation criteria and apply. Fill in the message content. If you chose to send a message to your entire audience using a template, you will not be able to change the text, but you can add your own variables and a link to a picture or file if you added the attachment option to the template. If you choose to send a campaign to contact who was active in the last 24 hours, you can write your text, add variables, and an emoji. You can add a button with a link or use it to launch a flow and pay for the purchase. Place the button under your text or any other element. Click Add Button. Write the text of the button. The length limit is up to 20 characters. The button has 3 scenarios: continue the flow, link, or payment. Continue the flow. Select button, enter a name, and select flow, which will be sent after clicking on the button. List. A list button opens a list of clickable options. Select list, enter button text, a section name, title, and description. You can add up to 10 items. In the statistics section, you will see the number of button clicks and the list of subscribers who clicked it. Payment. Add payment buttons that allow subscribers to purchase products right in your WhatsApp chatbot. To do this, add a payment method, and in the button settings, select a payment system and enter your product name and payment amount. Next, add an image, file, product card, video, audio, or extra buttons and text. To do this, click Add and select an element. You can add another text block that will be visually separated from the main message. You can add a JPG or PNG image that is up to 2 megabytes in size. Supported file formats: ZIP, PDF, and GIF. The maximum file size is 20 megabytes. The file name must not exceed 40 characters. You can upload a file from your device or add a link to it. Also, you can upload videos up to 20 megabytes. To add a product, paste the product and catalog IDs from the Business Manager account that holds the current WhatsApp business account. Once you have filled the message with all the necessary content, click Next. In the next window, you can send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Here, you can also see the price breakdown for sending a campaign to your mailing list. Money will be debited from your account balance for the number of specified recipients. If WhatsApp provides data that the message was not delivered, the money will be returned to your balance. Click Send a Campaign. Once you add all the elements you need, see what your messages look like to users. And if you added a button to the template, you can see which link you inserted. You can view detailed information about your campaigns, how many messages were delivered, how many recipients interacted with your bot, and the cost of your campaign and delivered messages. To do that, navigate to the My Campaigns tab and choose a campaign from the list. You will see the status and statistics of each campaign and a list of recipients. You can also export a CSV file along with your campaign recipient list and delivery status.